In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Meta Business Manager Support Manager efficiently and effectively in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in and make sure you're able to connect with the right support for your business needs. To get started, open your preferred internet browser and search for Meta for Business. This is the first step in accessing the Meta Business Manager platform, which provides a comprehensive suite of tools and services designed to help you manage your advertising and presence across Facebook and Instagram. Once you've entered your search term, click on the official Meta Business page link from the search results. Once you land on the Meta for Business page, you'll need to log in. You have a few options for logging in. You can use your email, Facebook account, or Instagram credentials, depending on what you use to sign up for your Meta Business account. Enter your login information and proceed to access the Meta Business Manager platform. This step is straightforward, but crucial for getting to the next part of our guide. After logging in, you'll find yourself on your Meta Business Manager dashboard. Look towards the top right corner of the page for a small icon resembling a question mark. That's your help icon. Click on this help icon to pull up a list of support options available to you. It's designed to be your go-to resource for navigating through any challenges you might face on the platform. This icon is your bridge to accessing the necessary support and making the most of Meta's features. Clicking on the help icon will bring you to a range of tools and resources aimed at improving your advertising efforts. The page you see now is packed with information and options tailored to enhance and support your business activities. These resources can include tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and direct support contact options, which are vital for maintaining and boosting your advertising strategies on Meta's platforms. As you've seen, reaching out to Meta Business Manager support is a streamlined process. The platform is structured to provide you with comprehensive assistance every step of the way. By following these steps, you ensure that your inquiries are directed and you receive the support you need without unnecessary delay. Whether you're seeking guidance on optimizing your campaigns or troubleshooting specific issues, Meta's support options are at your fingertips. So there you have it. A quick and straightforward guide to contacting Meta Business Manager Support Manager. I hope this walkthrough has been helpful and that it empowers you to make the most of Meta for Business. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.